It was almost time for me to give birth when the emperor declared that we needed to return to our hometowns to be registered. Joseph was from Bethlehem, so in my last months of pregnancy, we traveled across rough terrain to be counted in the census. The journey was long. I don't think I've ever ridden a donkey that long before. We were thirsty, we were hungry, and when we finally got to Bethlehem, there was nowhere for us to stay. We were turned away at every door. I don't know. Maybe I thought because I was pregnant that people would look at us and have mercy. But it's like they didn't even see that I was a person. They hated that we were there, especially me, never having stepped foot in Bethlehem before. They didn't even care that Joseph was from there. So Jesus, my baby, my son, was born in a dark cavern where animals were kept. What woman should have to bring life into the world in a cave, in a manger? I always imagined that when I had my firstborn, I would be in the comfort of my own home, surrounded by my family. But here we were, all alone. No midwives, no doctors. My faith was the only thing that brought me through the pain. In time, kings came, wise people, I don't really know who they were, but they came bringing precious gifts, amazing gifts. And I remember thinking, everything is really going to be okay. You know, this is God's son. How can anything go wrong? You know, we are doing everything we're supposed to do. Joseph has been so good right beside me the whole time. You know, we are following God's plan. But soon after the kings left, an angel appeared to Joseph in a dream and said we were being pursued again by the government, that Jesus would not be safe, that my baby, my newborn baby, would not be safe. This government, this ruler, wanted to hurt my baby because he was different. They wanted to hurt my baby because they knew that his holiness would never let their oppression rule. They wanted to hurt him. I remember looking down into his eyes and stroking his downy hair and thinking, who would want to hurt this? So we ran. We ran so the empire could not find us. We went to yet another foreign land, another place where no one knew us and where we had no home, where no one wanted us, where a precious few opened their hearts and their homes. We were refugees in a foreign land, imprisoned by death threats. We stayed there, far away, until we thought Herod the king's rule had ended. But then a new ruler rose up, a new power, a new threat. We were never safe. Never.